Hi everyone, and welcome to this fall vlog. So this is gonna be a super fun vlog. I have a few things planned for this week. I'm going to have a little snippet from when I went to Disneyland earlier this week. I was able to go for a few hours. So I did get to go to Disneyland for a few hours and tried some Halloween stuff. So I will insert that into the beginning of this vlog or after this little clip here. I finally get to try the toasted bulgogi grilled cheese with the corn soup. And I also got this cute little macaron. This caramel and pumpkin cheesecake, so I'm excited to try that. You guys, this is one of the best foods I've ever had at Disney. The sandwich is so good, the cheese is delicious, the meat is delicious, and this is like just spicy enough. It's perfect. I love this meal. I'm so glad I'm finally gonna try it. It's so good. Like 10 out of 10, best meal I've ever had. Okay, so I just took a bite of this. And it's okay, but I took a bite with the ear. I don't think I love the ear, so I'm gonna take a bite without it and see how I like it. Maybe I just don't like it. It's not bad. I just miss my raspberry rose. And I have this instead because it's Halloween. Okay, like 7 out of 10. Alright, this is going to be a little part of a like fall vlog that I'm doing, but oh my god, look. We're heading to California Adventure. I'm meeting up with a buddy, but these lines are insane. Why aren't they moving? Okay. I'm scared. Cheers? Yeah. Clink. Okay. Thank you so much, it's good. It's way too much for a shot. Lamplight was good. I had 2 drinks. Now we're heading to get the Baja Blast soda drink, alcohol drink, and wait for my friends to get off of, where the hell are you going? Guardians. My friends are gonna ride Guardians, Monsters, After Dark, whatever. I hate that ride. I'm a scaredy cat. So I'm gonna grab these Baja Blast drinks for us and just chill out. Wait for them. They have a fast pass though. It should be quick. You guys, I got the viral Baja Blast beer thing. It's really good. I'm already a little tipsy, and this might push me over the edge, but I'm having a good time in Disney California Adventure right now. This is so good. I got a pickle. Yum.
2 is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order.
We're going on Pooh. It's a 5-minute wait, and we are here. They have the new winter munchlings, so I grabbed one of those and another Halloween one to try to complete my set. Okay, we are at the refreshment corner. I got a Coke. My friends are grabbing a hot dog, and we're gonna sit and just chill for a little bit. I just went and bought a pen board because I've decided to put all of my pens up, and I haven't, and they're kind of spread out all over the place. And I want to put it on my wall back here so I have like this Disney background to film in, and also so I can show off all my pens. Now I have this board here, which only has some of my pens, but I'm going to move these over to the big cork board I got. I got this board to put all my pens on because right now they're just on like a whole bunch of different things, and then I have these little things of like just Disney pens, and then I have these like random ones like Daily Store pen. So I'm gonna put all of that onto this board and hang it up somewhere in my room. But yeah, that is currently what I'm gonna be working on, and I will show you when it's done and hung up. I think I wanna put the pens on before we hang it up, so wish me luck. That might be bad when we go to hang it up, but all right, I'll catch you later. Okay, it took me the entirety of watching the Joker movie, which I'd never seen. So I did watch that, but it took me the whole thing. But now all of my pens are on here and somewhat organized. And I left this open to put my medal for my 5K on there. but I only have this little space left. That's crazy. I did not know I had that many pins. Hi guys. Oh my. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. So I wanted to show you the pin board because it's done and up. So there it is. It's up. Here, like I said, I'm going to put my 5K medal, but it's going to go up, or it's up, and I have my Loungefly backpacks. I'm going to put more up there. I'm probably going to replace this with some ears. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far. I'm very happy with it. We're at a pumpkin patch and a sunflower field today. It is like 80 degrees outside, but we're still trying to make it fall in here, so doing our best. So pretty. Look at all those sunflowers. So pretty.
What you say, but I don't know what you say.
There's a corn maze, so we're gonna try to do it. The maze is kind of high. All right, which way? I go right or left? That way. Yay! We made it to the middle. The corn flag. Iconic. I love that corn flag. And now we just find our way back out. Probably the same way, or you think there's a different way? Who knows? Refreshments. A lot of the pumpkins are gone, but the pumpkin patch is still so beautiful. I love a good pumpkin patch. Hydration break. We are not getting a pumpkin here because it's low-key expensive, but we're just enjoying the vibes. Yes. Look at these little guys. Oh my god, they're so cute. And then this is this bird. Look at the bunnies. Oh, they're so cute. Hi, little guy. Oh, they're so cute. I love little bunnies. Oh my god, look at these two. He's a little piggy. Oh, and then they have a little goat inside the food thing. And then some llamas and some sheep and some lambs. Just this guy. They're really cute.
This one?
Yes.
Brooklyn! 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 I said this one like this and I just worked.
Hi, little duckies. What a fun little trip to the pumpkin patch. Okay, we just had lunch and we're right by an Ulta, so I want to pop in and see if they have the new Wicked collection. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get this. There's only like 2 left. Secured, everyone. Yay! Hi guys, so I'm doing some shopping today and I wanted to take you along because I heard Macy's just dropped their Disney collab. So I'm going to go check that out. Here we are. Okay, not Wonderland playing in Macy's. I was meant to be here. Oh my god, I see it. This is for kids, but I think it's so cute. Oh my god, this is what I came for. I want this sweater so bad. And they have a large. Okay, I'm gonna grab that one. We also have a Loungefly and then lots of like bobble bar accessories. I'm gonna get these pants too because the buttons are so cute. And then the pockets. I'm gonna try these on, I think. They're so cute. Right now I'm trying to choose between the 2 sweaters. I'm leaning towards the pink though. Alright, I made my decision. I'm gonna go check out. Let's check out. I got it, guys. Thanks, Macy's. All right, guys, I'm actually so glad I went. I was not feeling it today, and I was like not gonna leave the house, but I'm glad I did. I went, nothing was out of stock. They had everything. They had stuff, like I said, that wasn't online. And they also like had all the sizes and stuff. So I'm so glad I went, and I'll give you a little haul when I go home. But now I think I'm gonna try to go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx to find some of the Loungefly bags. So we'll see. All right, I made it to Marshall's. It was literally 2 minutes down the road. Let's go. Wish me luck. I've gone into so many, and the ones near me never had it. So I had to go a little farther away than normal to find this. I had to go a little farther away than normal to find this stupid bag, but we will. Okay, I found bags. So wait, hold on. I'm seeing like a whole bunch. Oh. Look at this little ghost. I can't find these Loungeflies. Cute. Okay. Oh, look at this. So funny. Okay, wait, this is actually a cute little subtle stitch bag. I also found this super cool Star Wars bag. Somebody's definitely hiding it, and it's so cute. You guys, not the bride bag. Oh my god, I'm thinking about getting it. I ended up not getting any bags at Marshall's, but I did find some cute earrings that I've been looking for Halloween or for Disney for a long time. So I did find them for like 15 bucks. And they're super cute, and I'll show them when I get home. Found the keychains. So much Harry Potter stuff back here. All my Ravenclaws. I have these little Hedwig bucket hats. Little Hedwigs are so cute. Found the headband I wanted. Yay! So excited! Got my stuff. Hi guys, I just wanted to round out the end of this fall vlog that I've put together. I think the last thing you saw was some shopping that I did, which is perfect because I wanted to show you one last thing. It's kind of fall decor, but just kind of new to my home. So we just built this new coffee bar into our house. It's also like where we're keeping like alcohol and stuff too, but it has all of our fall decor on it, and it's just been so cute, and I absolutely love the way it looks in our house. And they have all of our mugs down here and all of our coffee stuff, and then there's storage in both of these, and as you saw, there's sliding doors, and also it lights up. I gotta turn on. There we go. It lights up, and you can choose different colors, and it will turn to any of the different colors. And I think you can like mix and match combos so it looks different, but yeah, it's super cute, and I'm super happy with it. And I have my fall coffee mugs displayed out here, and I think that's gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and coming along this week. I will have another video next week, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye. Have a good week.